Okay, so this is a situation where I've done a question and then for whatever reason the file hasn't saved, so all the working is already there. It's a question where it tells you that Karen is going to cover this wall with rectangular tiles which are 15 centimetres by 7.5 centimetres. So the first thing you need to notice is that your units are different. The wall's given in metres and the tile's given in centimetres. So to deal with that, I've decided to turn these into centimetres as well. It also tells you that the tiles are sold in packs of 9. There are 9 tiles in each pack. We'll need that at the end. But Karen divides the area of this wall by the area of a tile to work out an estimate for the number of tiles she needs to buy. So you need to work out the area of the wall, which is what I've done here. Now for a trapezium, we discussed this in class recently, it is the height, it's this bit, times by an average, or what lies in between your other two values, so this 180 and this 270. If we average those out, halfway between them is 225. So 80 times 225, the area of the wall in terms of centimetres squared is this. For the tile it's much easier, 15 times 7.5, the area of a tile is 12.5. So to work out how many tiles we need, I've just done, as it suggests, use Karen's method, which is described here. The area of the wall divided by the area of a tile. So I've done the area of the wall divided by the area of the tile, and it comes out as 160 tiles. The question says, work out the estimate for the number of packs. So because there's 9 tiles in each pack, I've divided the number of tiles we need by 9. To 2dp, your calculator will give that as 17.78, but 17 packs is not enough, so we need 18 packs. The second bit says, Karen is advised to buy 10% more tiles than she estimated. Buying 10% more tiles will affect the number of tiles Karen needs to buy, which is fairly obvious. She assumes she will need to buy 10% more packs of tiles. Okay. Is Karen's assumption correct? Well, firstly, if she needs 10% more tiles, it was 160 tiles before, I've worked out 10% of that and I've added it on. So she needs 176 tiles now. If we divide that by 9, it comes out as 19.56, so this is the number of packs she needs, it's 2dp. So again, 19 won't be enough, so she needs 20 packs. So is Karen right in assuming that she needs 10% more packs of tiles? Well, she needed 18 before, she now needs 20. 10% of 18 is 1.8. So we can say, answering the question, because on question 4, just to go back before I went through it, on that video I didn't actually, just to correct this, I didn't actually answer the question properly. Who is correct, Jenny or the manager? We should have specifically said the manager is correct to answer it. So same here, we will specifically answer the question. Karen is wrong as she needs an extra 2 packs, because instead of 18, she now needs 20. Whereas 10% would only be an extra 1.8 packs. So by needing 2 packs, she actually needs slightly more than 10% of the packs she had before. Let's just do 6 and 7 while we're on this. So question 6, factorise x squared plus 3x minus 4. We want 2 numbers that add to give you 3 and times to give you minus 4. Those 2 numbers should be plus 4 and minus 1. And at this point, you have factorised your quadratic. That's your 2 marks, so let's just put it here. X plus 4 and x minus 1. Question 7, again it's a quick one, so we'll just do it. Here are the equations of 4 straight lines. 2 of these lines are parallel. Write down the 2 parallel lines. So we want to know which 2 have the same gradient. Parallel lines have the same gradient. Now if we can get them all in the form y equals mx plus c, m will just be the gradient. So line A has got a gradient, I'm just going to write the gradients down the side. Line A has got a